Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear roster man, silent, big up yourself. You understand? Undocumented, Trini boss, garage boss, 876 boss, West, 647 boss. Yo, big up St. Kitts, Trinidad, New York. We have some people in New York when I stop watching. Jamaica, Canada, England. Yo, somebody else may leave out. Clarendon boss, me not hear from you like you disappear, my lad. I hope you're alright. But look at the screen in front of you. Jamaica reach a new low. Believe it or not. A female shutter. You understand? That girl do a drive-by, believe it or not, dog. What is going on in Jamaica? No, that girl do a drive-by. Pandaluta. You understand? His name is Baker. You understand? And I don't know what is going on in Jamaica, because if this is a trend, it's a worrisome trend. We don't see the trend where certain kind of acts have been in the Middle East. Because Jamaica, we already have Pitney. I do the thing along with the bad man then. Most of the man them will get charged now are young youth. And now we have another female. Apparently, like me say, the story have been out about Mr. Baker in my driving car, pull up on the main road, stop and check in car, and I check something on in car, and that cat here trailing. Then him come out, then drive down and wake him up. But before him jump in him car, when he gets wet up, him jump in him car and him drive away and him run into a police and tell the police them. So just before him, whatever, pass away, he make them know. The police them activate and catch that girl in her car. Down in I think Sam Sharp Square. Dangerous catty. But if this are the new trend of Jamaica, can we just did that say on another video, and most of the man them most say domestic violence, the woman them are Jamaica there, and I keep them off like all the boy there do Chantel. But that girl there is an anomaly. She is unique in the sense that you can count on one hand how much female, and you have one in the Klansman also, so maybe 2, 3, I don't know where high profile you might have, but I know the man them give the woman them sitting for carry. Cause if a man they a dance or whatever, them don't want to have them something too far from them. Cause you don't see how Jamaica run. You understand? You have to defend yourself, defend your life and things. So That's how the thing is. But there's another part to this story will just pop up in the newspaper, and I will tell them about it. Let's move on with this equation. So check this out. On the 9th of December, she go sign in a Rambo police station in a Hanover because the judge in a St. James ordered her to stay out of the parish. So that was a court order, a judge's order. So she take herself away from St. James. No, she did Hanover. See? And she go sign in at the police station. It's about a day ago, you know, today hour day. Let me see the date. Today hour, the 10th. Like yesterday. And some man trailer on her bike. Some big tall up. And stop around the car and blow up on them. She end up get touched on her leg and them running at the bush, but she get where. But just to show you the scope of the problem and the kind of thing we have one, and then when you add female shot and gangster in the mix, it's gonna get even worse because which man love a woman, dog? And if you have them kind of thing that you gotta have more things that go on in other place. A lot more. So, like I say, I hope this is not a trend. What is really scary about this, but it's not unusual, is the ops where the man them run for her. Because she's in another parish, another county, another state, whatever you want to call it. And these individuals was able to track her. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's definitely a mix up and blend of danger, all of that. And the reason why I do that thing, that one here, is to bring this out here to the mass. That, you know, there's word out there that, yeah, the woman them are joining the thing, dog. And if them are joining the thing, it can get crazy, like me say, like you there, Mr. Baker. And girlfriend, Sudeen, non-girlfriend, the lady, she get charged with that. Cause them see my drive and then him stop and then boom. Him tell the police before him flank out and then catch her. So she get slapped with that. And then on the 9th of December, she go sign in a different parish. And the man then run a ups on her, but she get to it. So, yeah. That's how bad that yaga is. Danger girl, dog. So, like me say, I'm just bringing this one here to make the people that know, say, listen. Like the females them in Jamaica, I step it up. You have Klansman, the one there. That was Sir P call her. And now you have the one here, Sudeen Hilton, from Beverly Hills in Hendon, now with St. James. So, that's Jamaica. That's Jamaica land we love. Hopefully, it's not a trend. And it would be nice if Miss Sudeen Hilton could drop an interview with Countryman And would I like to talk to a female youngster and see what in their mind, what motivate them, what drive them. You have kids, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? Where the money you make. You may have like 1,000,001 question for a female youngster, dog. So yeah, it's a phenomenon, but hopefully it won't be an epidemic. It's unusual. But yet it probably, like I said, it won't be an epidemic. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Okay? We have the WhatsApp group, it's a fire. We have the Patreon page, we have the Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Tumblr, whatever. We have it. Twitch. You understand? So, yeah. My name is Countryman. I'm up. Peace. And let me big up all the subscribers them before I go. And like I said, I get a little flyer together. And once we reach a certain amount of subscribers, I'm going to make it public. And I'm going to drop some prize money. You understand? To some of my lucky subscribers there. My name is Countryman. I'm out.